I'm Monica Rodriguez, co-founder and CEO of ChangeAlert.
Hi, I'm Gil Bilbao and I'm CEO from ChangeAlert.
ChangeAlert is a monster sensor for continence pads which sends a signal to carrier when the pad is wet and needs to be changed.
We started this project because we were taking care of an elderly relative, and we experienced on our own how difficult it is to approach somebody and say, I need to change your pad. Especially nowadays, the only way that nurses in hospitals or care homes, the way to check that out is manually. And we believe that nowadays that we are sending rockets to the moon, it's time that incontinence is treated in a different way. So Monica, would you like to explain how this is working?
Yes. This is a sensor
connected to the pad, and from the inside?
Yes, there are a sensor which sends a signal to a centralized computer in a web platform, and
yes,
sorry.
Sure, no, don't worry about
Yes.
it. And then we collect all the data we retrieve from this is stored on a web platform that we have. Then the nurses, medical staff, also the family can access this platform from everywhere they want because it's a web app. Then another thing that we experience now, the NHS, for example, is investing tons, millions of pounds in just providing continence pads to every care home and every hospital, and they don't have a report on that. It's just like pen and paper. So this data for the NHS especially is really powerful, and we've been approached by them to say, hey, we need to check that out. So another thing that why we're applying to Microsoft Ventures, we experienced with some of the events that you organized back in the Whitechapel in the central working space, and we've been talking with some of the startups that you previously worked with you for Sunday, and all of them were really happy to work with you. Especially one of the things that we like to do, because we are a startup, we are always welcome any mentoring, any feedback, any help, and we believe that we're still on help from external help, and we believe that Microsoft Ventures can totally help us out a lot on this. And I think that also like the community that we have in the company, that the way we interact with each other and with the companies that we are, for example, here at Waira, is really one of the things that made us think about your Microsoft Ventures to keep on this startup scene alive. So thank you very much, and
thank you.
hope to hear from you.
See you soon.
See you soon.